If you have USDT in any digital wallet or exchange and want to transfer it to BitNasdaq, then the process is straightforward. Go to your BitNasdaq account and navigate to the spot wallet. Next to USDT, select the deposit option. Choose USDT and the desired blockchain, either ERC20, BEP20, or TRC20. A unique deposit address for USDT will be generated. Access your other wallet. Open the wallet or exchange where you currently hold your USDT. Locate the withdrawal option in your wallet and select the USDT. Select the same blockchain as BitNasdaq, either ERC20, BEP20, or TRC20. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to transfer to BitNasdaq. Copy the deposit address provided by BitNasdaq. Ensure accuracy to prevent any transfer errors. Return to the withdrawal prompt in your other wallet and paste the BitNasdaq deposit address into the designated field. Double-check the accuracy. Once satisfied, confirm the withdrawal to initiate the transfer. Keep an eye on your BitNasdaq account for confirmation. Check BitNasdaq account. Once the transfer is confirmed, check your BitNasdaq account's USDT balance. The transferred amount should be reflected in your spot wallet. Congratulations! You have successfully deposited USDT into your BitNasdaq account.